Alright, your turn. Ah! He got you!
Got me!
Okay, you go first. Good, my turn. What do you think, Kayla? Do you want to play with the crocodile?
But you can't play with it because you can't. You have little fingers.
Little finger. My turn?
Yeah.
No.
We did it again! Ah! He got you!
He got me, little lady. He got me. Can you do your kicks for the camera? Kick, 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 kick.
Hey,
What are you barking at, black dog?
It's your, I did one.
Okay, is it my turn?
Yeah, my turn.
Indy, honey, you're right in the way. We can't play.
Andy, you're right in the way. We can move it right down. So Andy won't get away. Ah! I got you!
He got me.